Every great project begins with a vision and a promise.
I think they start using the other road. They're almost done clearing this side, so make this place more clear. This side.
And this is how far we've come. To everyone who believed in us and stayed patient, this moment is for you. We are done with the earthwork and now we are moving over to the next phase. We're expanding our offers by introducing terraces and semi-detached duplexes, all built with quality DPC standards. And it even gets better. Make a 30% initial deposit and spread the balance within 6 months. We didn't just promise excellence, we are delivering it. Get ready, because your dream is about to become a reality. For further inquiries, kindly reach out to us on the numbers displayed on your screen.